lot of the times when we go to the field and do any type of field service, we're there as a specialist or to troubleshoot.
We'll do commissioning and or setup of actuators in the field.
CGIS is one of the only Limitorque distributors that has a Blue Ribbon certified technician. With his experience over the past 15 to 20 years, he has worked on units that are as old as 1940. We can still get parts, we can still bring them right up to OEM spec. When the client gets them back, they're gonna work another 30 years.
If a valve cannot be repaired, we'll go through a process of consultation with the customer to understand whether this is an asset that they need immediately or if it's something that they're looking to improve or upgrade.
Our main goal is obviously to fix the issue, but we also want to be able to provide the training so that the next person working on that product who works at the facility has a little bit more confidence than they did prior to.